Artificial intelligence. AI is everywhere these days, from Siri on our phones to self-driving cars. AI is rapidly advancing, and many people are wondering if it can ever match human intelligence. But how does it compare to human intelligence? Can it replace human intelligence in the future? Welcome back to another exciting content. Today, we are going to discuss one of the most intriguing topics of our time: human intelligence versus artificial intelligence. Let's dive into the video. First, let's start with human intelligence. Humans have a unique ability to reason, make decisions, and learn from experiences. They have the ability to think critically, creatively, and imaginatively, and solve problems in unique ways. Human intelligence is a product of millions of years of evolution, and it is the result of the complex network of neurons in the brain. We have emotions, intuition, and a consciousness that allows us to reason and understand complex concepts. Human intelligence is shaped by genetics, environment, and experiences. On the other hand, AI is a computer-based intelligence designed to mimic human intelligence. AI systems can perform tasks such as speech recognition, image analysis, decision-making, language translation, and many other, which are traditionally associated with human intelligence. AI is getting smarter every day. We are seeing breakthroughs in areas like natural language processing and computer vision that were once thought impossible. The battle. While both human intelligence and AI share some similarities, they are fundamentally different in several key ways. Human intelligence is more fluid, adaptable, and flexible, while AI is more precise, consistent, and reliable. Unlike human intelligence, AI is not based on emotions, creativity, or intuition. Instead, it relies on algorithms, mathematical models, and deep learning neural networks. AI has the potential to outperform humans in certain areas, such as analyzing massive amounts of data or performing complex mathematical calculations. However, human intelligence remains superior in many areas such as creativity, emotional intelligence, and empathy. For example, a human artist can create a masterpiece that can evoke emotions in people. In contrast, an AI system can produce a similar work of art but cannot produce it with the same emotional impact as a human artist. AI can also work in hazardous environments such as deep-sea exploration or space exploration, where it would be unsafe for humans to operate. However, AI lacks empathy, creativity, and the ability to understand complex human emotions. AI can never replicate this level of complexity. It can also make errors due to incomplete or biased data sets. So, what does the future hold for human intelligence and artificial intelligence? There are many possible scenarios. Some experts believe that AI systems will eventually surpass human intelligence and take over many tasks that are currently performed by humans. Others believe that AI systems will complement human intelligence and enhance our abilities in various fields, such as medicine, education, and science. Despite the limitations of AI, it's clear that this technology has immense potential. From self-driving cars to medical diagnosis, AI is changing the way we live and work. But we must also be careful not to over-rely on machines. Human creativity and imagination are irreplaceable. We can come up with new ideas and innovations that machines could never think of. And that's why human intelligence will always have a place in the world. With AI becoming more advanced and prevalent in our lives, should we be concerned about its potential to replace human jobs? There is no doubt that AI will disrupt certain industries and occupations. However, AI can also create new jobs and opportunities. It is up to us to ensure that we are equipped with the necessary skills to adapt to this changing landscape. Finally, human intelligence and artificial intelligence are different in several key ways, but they both have their own advantages and disadvantages. AI has the potential to perform certain tasks better than humans, but human intelligence remains superior in many other areas. The key to success is to find ways for them to work together effectively. As AI technology continues to evolve, it is used for the betterment of humanity. Always remember, without human intelligence there is no artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence may be intelligent, but it is only a reflection of the intelligence of its creators. Please share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching.